Karta. The head of the joint Hindu family is called as Karta, and the manager of the joint family occupies a unique position unlike any other member of the family. The senior-most member of the family is generally a Karta, but such a member may give up and any junior male member appointed as Karta with the consent of other member of the family. Karta is not an agent or trustee of the family, but as a head of the family, he is the custodian or guardian of the family and affairs of the family and interest of the family. He is the person who takes care of day-to-day expenses of the family, looks after the family and protects the joint family properties. Position of Karta. Karta is a sui generis of its own kind. The relationship between him and members is not like a principal or agent or like partners in a partnership firm. He is the head of the family and acts on the behalf of other members. He stands fiduciary relationship with other members, but he is not a trustee. Nobody can question what he spent unless the charges of misappropriation occurs. When any co-partner charges of improper alienations made by Karta, the burden of proof lies on him to prove such are malefied act of Karta. He obtains no reward for his services and he discharges many burdensome responsibilities towards the family and its members. Powers of Karta. Power of management. He is the head of the family. His management powers are absolute. He may manage the family affairs and family properties and the business the way he likes for the benefit of the estate. No one can question his management. Right to income. He has control over the income and expenditure of the family. He is authorized to spend for the maintenance, residence, education, marriage, and other religious ceremonies of the co-partners and so long as the family remains joint, no member can ask for any specified share in the income. If Karta spends more than the co-partner, can ask partition. Right of representation. He represents the family in all matters legal, social, and religious. He can enter into any transaction on behalf of the family. His acts are binding on the entire joint family. Power to compromise. He has the power to compromise all disputes relating to family property or their management. He can compromise pending suits, family debts, and other transactions. However, if his act is not bona fide, it can be challenged in a partition. Power to refer a dispute to arbitration. Karta has a power to refer any dispute to arbitration. Arbitrator's award is binding on all the members. He must does so with the bona fide intention without any fraud. Power of acknowledgement and to contract debts. Karta has a power to acknowledge on behalf of the family any debt due to the family, also has the power to pay debt or to make back payment of the debt. He has the power to contract debts for the family. Such debts incurred in the ordinary course of business are binding on the entire joint family. Even Karta, when takes loan or execute promissory note for a family purpose or for any family business, joint family is liable to pay such loan. Power to enter into contract. Karta has a power to enter into contract and such contract is enforceable against the family. The reason is that if such power is not conferred upon him, it is quite impossible to carry on the business at all. Power of alienation. Nobody in the family has power to alienate joint family property. However, Karta has a power of alienation under three circumstances: when it is a legal necessity, when there is a benefit of estate, and when it is in part of indispensable duties.